Can't.
Come on, we want to get in the pits. Oh man, my clothes are going out of style.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? What lane are we in then?
The lane behind the van.
Oh.
Oh fuck.
Look out!
That's okay. You can just go forward. You're not.
Oh, okay.
We're just trying to clear out the lane.
Oh. How's it look? Look pretty safe for a pit bike?
Oh, yeah, to do a remix, right?
Niggas is mad, I get more butt than ashtrays. Fuck a fair one, I get mine the fast way. Ski mask way, nigga ransom notes. Far from handsome, but damn a nigga tote. More guns than roses, foes is shaking in their boots. A visible bully, like the gooch disappear, vamoose, you whack to me. Take them rhymes back to the factory. I see the gimmicks, the whack lyrics, the shit is depressing. Please forget it. You're mad cause my style you're admiring. Don't be mad, UPS is hiring. You should have been a cop, fuck hip hop. With that freestyle, you're bound to get shot. Not from Houston, but I rap a lot. Pack the gat a lot. The flame's about to drop.
Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm just kicking new flavor in your ear. Like a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. Word up, no rap, no crap, you bore me. One to grab my dick, too lazy. Hold it for me. I'm straight rap great. Bust the head straight and dreads, I'm everlasting. Like it's so on pro catch, a tech 9. When I rhyme, just like mine, word is bond. Your album couldn't fuck with one line. It's been 3 years since your last tear, but now I reappear, your heart pumps fear. To your gut, did your girl's butt. I scraped it, shaped it, now she won't strut. I smashed teeth, fuck your beef, no relief. I step on stage, girls scream like I'm Keith. You won't be around next year, my rap's too severe, can get bad flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Like a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear.
2194, mad motherfucking hardcore. It's my time to burn and explore. The flavor in your ear is the Boy Scout. I make outs, I make all the rappers have doubts. You're fucking with the wrong clan and the wrong man, that's it. Now you got to get your dome split. I'm going into my knapsack with my gat. Take off my hat, yes, I'm just cool like that. The dangerous, the ruggedness from the flappers abyss. BLS 97 kiss bastard is. I'm gonna live long in this rap game. Niggas know my name, yo, Puffy.
You're jiggling, baby. You're jiggling, baby.
Here's shit. Blotitious, skeevy, delicious. Give me goose, love me good. Damn, Hollis to Hollywood, but is he good? I guess like the jeans. Flavor like praline, sick daddy, I mean. Papa love it when it does it. Niggas buzz it. But tell me, was it really just the flavor that be clogging your ears? The most healthy behavior is to stay in the clear. It's all for you, it's really all for you. Hunch back, close your eyes, try to punch that. All you Fill up your ankles, let your tips tap. Bite the flavor, it reacts to your nose gaps. Word to mama, my tongue is a piranha, electrocuted barracuda. I'm here to bring the drama.
Yo, flavors in your ass grease. Busta Rhymes about to bring the noise on cease. Let me loose from the belly of the beast. Everybody, hey, you better believe it's Busta Rhymes the way we bout to rip the tri-state, yo. Hey, I split your face and give you stitches. Throw niggas in ditches, slap the ass on fat bitches. Wait 1 sec, if I get down, I'm rolling with the heavyweight connect through the stomping ground now. Don't you get suspicious? Grant your wishes every time. Bring it vicious when I bust around. I know one thing the whole world is expecting is how we all connected. To break fool on the same record. 5 new flavors on the beat. Feel the fucking heat. I really think you should be cheap while we blow up the streets. Instead of copping, please just freeze. Maintain the focus while we smoke these marijuana trees. When I get down, I disappear. We appear and blow up everywhere. Fucking with new flavors in your ear.
Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Like a brand new flavor in your ear. Here comes a brand new flavor in your ear. Time for new flavor in your ear. I'm kicking new flavor in your ear. Like a brand new flavor in your ear.
For quite a while, he loves that game, racing snowmobiles in the winter, and Pitbike is the pro. That's what he does. He takes the win. The 536 Andrew Campbell out of Wind Lake, Wisconsin, finishing up second in that one. Good battle to the line between Jake Heiko and Danny Peterson. They'll finish up. We'll see them later on tonight in the main event.
He's burning all kinds of oil, bud. Burning all kinds of oil.
Dude, they talk about you more than anybody on the track.
Really?
There was like Rampage, 1980 something. It's a classic bike out there. I said it every time he came around.
Nice,
Sweet.
dude.
He said I talk more about you than anybody else on the track. And I was like, alright. Someone appreciates the fucking bike.
Right.
Oh
man.
Dude, I look like so much fun.